Hello there. For today's video, Mr. Witt has a special surprise for us. I'm going to show you how to cook something. That's great, Mr. Witt. And what will you be cooking? I told Nevitz that he could decide. Oh, great. And what did he choose? Why, something evil, of course. Kick-ass chicken. Did you censor me? Well, we don't swear on these videos. But that's the name of the dish. Your own mother calls it that. Hey, leave my mother out of this. For the sake of this video, we're going to call it kick butt chicken. Fine. Can't even say the name. All right, Mr. Witt, take it away. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, yellow mustard, brown sugar, black pepper, and rubbed sage. So, you're going to take all the ingredients except for the chicken breast and put them into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, thoroughly mix. Place your chicken into the Instant Pot. I use a rack so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Then pour your ingredients onto the chicken. Make sure to cover every bit of that chicken. I use a spatula to scrape every little bit out of the bowl. Make sure to put the lid on nice and tight. Don't forget to switch from venting to sealing. Then you're going to want to select meat, high pressure, less, 20 minutes. Once it is finished cooking, you're going to want to let it sit for 20 minutes to do a natural release. After the 20 minutes, you can then do a quick release. I recommend having an oven mitt on in case steam comes out. In this case, it didn't. Then you're going to want to take your chicken out and begin shredding it. Then you're going to want to put your chicken back in the pot and mix it around in those juices to make sure every little bit gets covered. And there you have it. I usually serve it over rice. To add a little zest to your rice, you can put some of the juices into the rice and mix it around. Thank you, Mr. Witt. That chicken looks great. It would be even greater if we could call it kick anyway. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hey Nevitz, earlier you made mention of Steven's mother. Since you're his evil twin, doesn't that make her your mother too? Well,